Hey everyone, my name is Mike. You may have seen my other video about my transit van. Unfortunately, that van got totaled right here in my driveway. Car swiped me as I was stopped in my driveway. Anyways, so I had to quickly move from that van and put everything into my backup van that was completely empty, but I want to show you real quick just kind of how I set this up, and I did this in about 3 or 4 hours, but I think it actually turned out pretty well. So follow me. My helper Brooklyn is filming again. So here's the back. It's gotten me through about 2 months now, and finally we're gonna actually move everything back into this trailer. You can see the big guy. So that's why I wanted to show you everyone real quick. So on the back side, I have the battery charging station. There's a plug on the outside for like shore power. And on the left side, I pretty much have, really it's set up the same way as my other van. There's just no storage for any extra of anything really. So I'll turn around and show you. Little cleaning station. I have more cleaning supplies up here, like magic erasers, things like that. In here I have just random caulk as well as like drywall repair things. In here I have tape. Up here I have my Gorilla wipes. Up here I just have little totes with kind of random things like shims. I have oscillating tool blades, sandpaper, sanding blocks, and my hot glue gun, more sanding stuff. In here I have just kind of random repair things like wood glue, spackle. You can see there's other random stuff in there. And then here I have some fasteners. So just kind of random screws and things I might need all the way down to here. And then I have these pack out drawers. I have brad nails. I guess I can take the phone and kind of show you guys real quick. So I'll make it bigger so you can see better. But I have the brad nails and things like that. Wrenches, sockets, and more wrenches. And as we go across, I have all my painting supplies. Screwdrivers, Allen wrenches. I think this one's empty actually. Yeah, basically. Just more kind of random things. I meant to eventually label everything in here, but just haven't had the time yet. But now that we're moving everything, I'm gonna label it in the big truck, or the big trailer. So I have all these Milwaukee things, and I actually like Milwaukee a lot. But to be completely honest, if I was to do it again, I probably would buy mostly these DeWalt ones. I really like how instead of having a bar that crosses it, there's just this handle that you pull to unlock it. They're pretty close to the same size. They actually have a 3-drawer of this, but you just have to order it online. But since I'm on this side, I guess I'll show you some of this stuff. So I've been keeping my drills and things like this. I had all my bits and stuff on here magnetically. They fell off. So this is kind of like a drunk drawer for now. Tape measures, razor blades, little levels, things like that. And then I've been keeping all my tools in here. Most of them. Oops, sorry for the hand. Yeah, it's worked out okay. Honestly, the worst thing about working in this van is that it's so short that, you know, I don't really want to get in to get things. And then also if I have any materials, trash, anything, I got to put it in the middle of the van, which stinks because it, you know, then I can't get in to get any tools. So I'm really excited about the new trailer. I think it's going to be great. I'm going to have room to get everything I need in there and more. So anyways, stay tuned for the next trailer build. Thanks.